I want to explain to you how Easton University officially works, just so you know how it works. We're going to teach you how to prospect, how to follow up, how to manage your day, how to handle any objections or complaints, how to negotiate. We teach you everything, how to have the best possible meetings that you can have. We will literally go over everything. But when you have access to the unlimited plan, it doesn't stop there. People that have unlimited access memberships also have the ability to work with me whenever they want, every single week in a live video coaching session. So if you want, you can pop on in there and bring whatever questions you have. Man, I'm really having trouble. I'm not getting any response to this voicemail that I'm leaving. I'll tune you up. I just sent a proposal and I haven't heard back from this client in like 3 months. Been there. I can solve that for you too. It's a live setting where you can bring any of your issues, any of your concerns, any of your questions. And if you don't have any, just join anyways. I'll bring a different topic every single week. It is an awesome, awesome, awesome fun time. Now, if you have a group, if you're part of a big group, we also have exclusive live coaching for groups. So if you want to have just a private session with me and your sales team, we can do that as well. And I hope you consider jumping on the unlimited plans. All those plans are month to month. There's no contracts, there's no commitments. When you get through all of the courses, you will earn your CMSC, your Certified Master Sales Consultant credential. I look forward to putting my signature on yours.